Living in the Philippines means embracing the reality of the Pacific typhoon belt. We face an average of 20 typhoons each year, each one a reminder of nature's power. But what truly defines us is our resilience. After every storm, we come together, rebuilding our homes and our lives with unwavering spirit. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. We share stories, lend a hand, and find strength in our community. Each typhoon teaches us to adapt, to innovate, and to rise again, proving that no storm can wash away our hope and determination.